How to make money on GetResponse affiliate program platform. Making money through the GetResponse affiliate program platform is a lucrative opportunity for anyone interested in affiliate marketing. GetResponse, a renowned email marketing service, offers a robust affiliate program that allows you to earn generous commissions by promoting its products and services. With GetResponse's affiliate program, you can earn a 33% recurring commission per referral, or a one-time $100 bounty for each paid account. Your potential earnings can reach hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly, depending on your marketing efforts and the number of active referrals you generate. Sign up now to start earning. Here's how you can get started and maximize your earnings. 1. Sign up for the affiliate program. Begin by signing up for the GetResponse affiliate program, which is free and straightforward. Once registered, you'll gain access to a range of promotional materials, including banners, email templates, and tracking links. 2. Understand your audience. To succeed as an affiliate, it's essential to know your audience. Tailor your marketing efforts to appeal to those who would benefit most from GetResponse's services, such as small business owners, bloggers, and digital marketers. 3. Create valuable content. Produce high-quality content that highlights the benefits of GetResponse. This could include blog posts, videos, and social media posts that showcase its features, ease of use, and how it can solve your audience's email marketing needs. Real-life success stories and case studies can be particularly persuasive. 4. Utilize SEO and social media. Leverage search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to drive organic traffic to your content. Additionally, share your affiliate links on social media platforms to reach a broader audience. 5. Monitor and optimize. Regularly track your performance using the analytics provided by GetResponse. Identify which strategies are working and optimize your efforts accordingly to increase your conversion rates. Ready to start earning with GetResponse? Sign up through the link in the description below, get your affiliate link, share it on different social media, and watch your commission rolling. Also remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips on affiliate marketing success. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to boost your income today. Happy earning!